Taking a look at Luna Classic from the previous video, we can see that Luna Classic is still unable to clear the 236 retracement at 72, which would suggest that as long as Luna Classic is below 72, there's no reason to assume that the token is bullish. Now, in the short term, if Luna Classic is able to get over 72, we would be looking for a larger move up to about 87. Technically, as you can see here from the high down to the low, we did actually come up to the 382 if you pull this fib to this wick here, and we got rejected again. So technically, as long as we're below the 382, Luna Classic is still actually bearish, which means that as long as we're below 87, there's no reason to assume that Luna Classic will move up. However, getting over 87, in my opinion, would actually signal that Luna Classic is bullish, and a larger move up to about 12 would be in play. Now, if we zoom out, you can see that the downtrend that started all the way back in 2022 is actually right on top of that 12, depending on where you are. One would argue that it's actually the 786 up here at 14. So if you'd rather say 14 for the 786 and the downtrend, obviously that's up to you. But one would argue that generally once you break through this macro downtrend, that would confirm that Luna Classic is finally bullish and you'd be looking for much higher prices, probably up here somewhere. But obviously, in order to talk about that, we have to get over this 236 first, which is 72, and more importantly, 382, which is down here at 86. So as long as we're below 86, that would indicate Luna Classic is bearish, and once it gets over 86, we can look for a move up to about 12. And as long as we're below 72, we're not even sure that the bottom is in, and you could actually still make a new low, in my opinion.